Kiumia kihituku nirio President William Ruto amurire Nordin Haji kwiyukia ithenya ria mutongoria wa ruhonge rwa ugaceru NIS kuma kuri Major General Philip Wachira Kamero uria utongoretie ruhonge ruru makiria ma miaka 8 na itware rumurite mawoni matiganite ikundi cia gutetera ihoto cia muingi igitariria kwaga kuiganira kwao kurumirira itwarere rungu rwa ngwataniro ya National Integrity Alliance ikundi ciugite rekodi ya Haji eta mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi rikoretwo njega gikiari kionereria ati Haji ndari na Wuigiririki wa kuyukia utongoria ruhonge-ini rwa NIS.
Mr. Haji has in the past demonstrated gross misconduct, incompetence and non-compliance with the Constitution of Kenya, specifically Chapter 6 on Leadership and Integrity, the Public Officer Ethics Act of 2003, the Leadership and Integrity Act, the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions Act, and the Decision to Charge Guidelines of 2019.
Amwe atongoria aria Haji eriga kwehereria thitango kwa ihinda ritakirite mwaka umwe ni hamwe na munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua, muikiririki ruhonge-ini rwa ukinyaniria Mary wa Bui, Minister wa uruti wira wa muingi na maiganania Aisha Jumwa, uria wari murugamiriri munene wa Kenya Power Benchumo gatagati kagi ikundi shishike mukuruhania na wagarari wa gicunje gia gatandatu gia gatifa kiria gikonainie na Wuigiririki na ihoto.
In the past 8 months, Kenyans have been astonished by a pattern of the withdrawal of corruption cases involving certain politically connected individuals, a number of whom have since been appointed to executive positions, which raises doubts about the DPP's impartiality and his commitment to fighting corruption.
Mr. Haji, by his own admission, indicated that he was politically influenced and demonstrated a lack of objectivity in decision making.
Nordin Haji hakuwajibika kwa wananchi wa Kenya kuwaambia kwa nini kesi hizo aliziweka kwanza mahakamani, alizitoa tu bila nakasema kwamba hazina evidence ama ushuhuda wa kutosha.
Gigatifa mutaratara wa kwamura mutongoria wa NIS no ginya ukuruhanie mawoni kuma kuri muingi muigiri ukiheo mweke wa gutemania mendekithia kana mateta ma kuregana na kwamurwo gwake kuri bunge mbere ya tariki 29 mweri uyu.
We will submit a memorandum to the vetting committee at the National Assembly expressing the aforementioned concerns.
Gukiri uguo ikundi ciugite kungikinya mawoni mao matikuyukio ne bunge ya bururi matigukorwo na wikitiga kuhanda shira igotine.
Case Mr. Haji sails through the sieving process in Parliament, we are prepared to challenge his appointment in the courts of law.
We call upon Kenyans who share our concerns about the nomination of the Director of Public Prosecution to voice their opinions and join us in demanding accountability.
And that is why we are appealing to the President of Kenya that if he cares so much about integrity as he has claimed, especially last week, the simple thing is to ensure that he protects these offices from people who have been accused of corruption in the first place.
Haji atanyetwo gukagerekwo kabiro ndohonge rwa kamiti ya maundu makonainie na ugaceru bunge-ini ya bururi tariki 29 mweri uyu wa gatano.